Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Maths Class 7 Chapter 8 Algebraic Expressions Exercise 8A question number 9. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. This one is write the algebraic expressions for the following situations. Some situations are given, we have to write down their expressions. First one is Rita's age is 4 less than 4 times her daughter's age x. Now you have to understand this. If suppose Rita's age is 4 years less than 4 times her daughter's age, that is x. So what is the expression here? So first of all you can write it down. Maybe you can write down daughter's age, it is up to you. Age, right, that will be 4 times her x, that her age is x, right, and 4 times that will be 4x. So here first term we will get is 4x, and it is saying it is 4 years less than that, right, 4 years less than this 4x. So this means that our expression becomes 4x, okay, 4x first, and it is 4 years less than that, so 4x minus 4. This becomes our answer. Alright, let us move on to the next part. On to the next one. This is the expression for a 3-digit number when the hundredths digit is a, the tens digit is b, and the units digit is c. So first of all, you can imagine any number. I am making you understand the question here. So ones, tens, hundreds, 3 places in my number. Any number we can imagine, suppose 153. Now you can see, if we have to tell what is the value of each of the digit in this, then how will we find that out? First we start from ones only. So 3 is here. What is the value of 3 in 153? If you say, you can already say it is 3. So how are we getting that? That we are getting by multiplying 3 by 1. Right, and what is the value of 5 in 153? So what you will say, 50, of course. So that we are getting by multiplying 5 by 10. And why are we doing this? Because 3 is at ones place. This is ones, or you can even call this units place. Both are the same. So this is ones place, 3 is at ones place. So we multiply that by 1. Here 5 is at tens place. So you multiply the number by, or the digit, by 10. So you get its value. Here same, 1 is at hundreds place, so this becomes 1 into 100. Right, so you can see what are we doing here. We are simply finding out the values by multiplying them by 100. Now for the variables, what are we going to do? Again you can imagine the same table, it is up to you. Hundreds, tens, ones, and it is saying that the hundreds digit is a. So write it here, a. Tens digit is b, so you write it here b, and ones digit or units digit is c, so you write it here c, a, b, c. Now in this you can see, again if I have to find out the value of the digits in this, what are we going to do? We will simply not leave it like this, this will become wrong. We will not do it like this. Instead what we will do is, we will write down their values and sum their values up. So value of c will be what? Simply c, you can say c into 1, that is c only. Now value of b will be b into 10, that is 10b, right, and a will be what? Let us do it a bit up. So a will be 100 into a, right, or you can simply write it 100a, right. So you can see c is just simply c, b is 10b, a is 100a. Right, so you can write it down here that our expression becomes 100a, that is this. Hundredths digit is a, so value of hundredths digit becomes 100a, plus we add in this the value of tens digit, that is 10b. Here you can see 10b, so plus 10b, and in last plus c, c is at ones place. This becomes our expression and answer of the second part. Let's move on to the next part. And now moving on to the next part, this is the perimeter of an isosceles triangle whose equal sides are the length p centimeter each and unequal side is q centimeters. Now you can try to visualize this, up to you. We'll make an isosceles triangle, suppose like this, right? So its equal sides, which is this one, are length p centimeter as it has said here. So this one is p centimeter, this one also p centimeter. Now and the unequal one, which is this one, is of q centimeters. Now what expression will we write to find its perimeter? This is what it is asking us. So first of all, for the third one, you can write it here. Our expression becomes, what will our expression be? Perimeter is sum of the length of all the sides, so sum them up, you get p and p centimeter is coming 2 times, right? So you can write it down as 2p, right? So 2p plus q centimeters. This will be the expression for the perimeter of this isosceles triangle. Let's move on to the next part. Now on to the next one. This is the speed of a bus is z meter per second. Write its speed in kilometers per hour. So first of all, you can see here a bus is moving at a speed of z meter per second. So it is moving z meters in 1 second. This means now we have to write its speed in kilometers per hour. So how we'll do that? It's very simple. Suppose if I have to go from let us say kilometers per hours to meters per seconds. So what we're going to do is multiply it by 5 upon 18. This will give you the speed in meters per second. Then you have to go the opposite of this. That means suppose when you have to go from meters per second to kilometers per hour, so we turn the fraction, we reciprocate the fraction. So 5 upon 18 becomes 18 upon 5. Again we multiply it by that fraction. So same we'll do here. So the speed in meter per second gets multiplied by 18 upon 5. Then you get the speed in kilometers per hour. So you can see for the expression part here, you can see so we multiply this becomes 18 upon 5 into z, or simply we'll say 18 z upon 5. This is our answer. Let's move on to the next part. Now on to the next part. This is a pair of shoes cost rupees x. The cost of a dress is rupees 200 more than 5 times the cost of the shoes. Now you can see here that a pair of shoes cost x rupees. So pair of shoes costs how many? X rupees. Now it is saying that if the dress costs rupees 200 more than 5 times this amount, that is rupees x, 5 times this, okay, 5 times this, but still you are 200 rupees short than buying a dress. Now this means that 200 rupees more than 5 times the price of the shoe. So what will be our expression? Very simple. So expression first of all, and it becomes, you can see first of all 5 times the cost of a pair of shoes will be 5x, right? So you can write it here 5x plus and plus, you can see this rupees 200 more, right? So we have to write the cost of the dress as an expression. So plus 200, just that simple, plus rupees 200, rupees 5x. Alright, this becomes our expression. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.